Today, I want to share with you some thoughts that resonate deeply with me, not just as your chairman, but as a fellow traveler on this remarkable journey of growth, development, and learning. In this fast paced world where achievements often overshadow virtues, let us remind ourselves of the timeless importance of character. Character is not merely about knowledge or skill, it is about how we treat others. Speak sweetly, for words have the power to heal, inspire, and build relationships. A kind word, a gesture of appreciation, or an acknowledgement of someone's efforts can create ripples of positivity that extend far beyond our immediate circle. Let us praise more and foster an environment of encouragement and collaboration. Desist from criticism, whether personal or professional. The true mark of greatness lies in the uplifting others, not pulling them down. Instead of competing with one another, let us compete with ourselves to be better today than we were yesterday. Remember, the success of our institution is the sum of our collective efforts when we work together with a shared purpose. Our achievements know no bounds. Team effort is the key to success and sustained progress. In our pursuit of excellence, let us not forget the importance of balance. Take care of your health, as it is the foundation of all accomplishments, and cherish your family, your greatest support in the family system. At Prestige, we believe in a family culture for holistic growth. A well balanced mind and a healthy body, which are key to sustained success. A vision for the future as we move forward. Let us align our efforts with a clear and inspiring vision. I envision Prestige Education Foundation as a beacon of excellence where every student is empowered to dream, every faculty is motivated to innovate, and every institution sets benchmark for others to follow. This vision requires each of us to contribute not just with our skills but with our hearts. To the students, you are the torch bearers of tomorrow. Strive not just for academic success but also for personal growth and development. Develop empathy, resilience, and a thirst for lifelong learning. To be faculty members, you are the architect of future leaders. Innovate, inspire, and lead by example. Your dedication shapes not just careers but lives to the directors. You are the custodian of this legacy. Lead with vision, manage with care, and always keep the collaborative interest of our institutions at the heart. Focus on collaboration, research, and innovation while embracing the transformative changes brought by technology and the policies like the National Education Policy NEP. Organize constructive events, forge industry connections, and create an ecosystem where students and faculty members thrive together. As we step into the new year, Let us commit to creating a culture of positivity, inclusiveness, and excellence. Let prestige be known, but also for the values we uphold. Let us speak sweetly, act kindly, and dream boldly, for these are the qualities that will take us not just successful but truly significant. Together, we can make this year a turning point in our shared journey, a year of growth and development, unity, and impact. Friends, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for your dedication and hard work. Walk hand in hand towards a brighter, more meaningful future. With all my best wishes and warm regards. Thank you.